Hey everybody, how you all doing, and welcome to my latest mini video series. Now, I spoke to you guys in the community section last week and I asked you, what do you want this latest mini video series to be on? And you said you want me to show you how to transform your body at home using just body weight exercises. So over the next week, I'm gonna upload 3 videos. Today, we're gonna look at the best body weight exercise for each one of your major muscle groups. On Wednesday, I'm going to show you how to take these exercises and how to actually create workouts depending on what your goal is, because the great thing is you can use these exercises to either lose fat, build muscle, increase your performance, or just maintain your results. And then on Friday, I'm going to combine all of this and give you a full body weight fat burning workout that you can do right there at home. So let's get started by looking at the best body weight exercise for each one of your muscle groups. And then afterwards, I'm going to share with you the #1 secret when it comes to actually using these exercises to get great results. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you know all of these and probably hate a few of them as well. I don't think anybody out there loves burpees, but they're powerful and they are effective. But guys, one of the most important things that you need to learn about these exercises, especially when it comes to bodyweight exercises where you're not in the gym where you basically just use a machine, is that you need to learn how to use them properly. For example, the pike press. If you do it like this with your elbows out, you're actually destroying your joints and it can be extremely bad for you. But you bring your elbows in and you do it properly and it really hits those shoulders. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do each one of these exercises properly with a complete full tutorial where I teach you step by step how to do them, go to bodyweightevo.com and over there you can learn more about how to do these exercises properly and how to use them to completely transform your body right there at home. So there you go, guys. Video 1 done. By the time we are finished with these 3 videos, you're going to know so much more about how to transform your body using just bodyweight exercises right there at home. I will see you in the next video. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Click on the like button, please subscribe, and remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.